What if I told you that these 10 lessons aren't just theoretical but practically applicable each day? Many individuals overlook the significance of these principles, thinking they're reserved for elite training. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The very essence of personal growth lies in simplicity. It's about waking up with purpose and seizing each moment, then laying the groundwork for effective change. Through these lessons, individuals not only equip themselves to tackle any situation, but also inspire others. This interconnectedness fosters a community striving together for improvement. In our collective journey toward a better world, every small act reinforces the idea that anyone can become a catalyst for transformation, no matter where they start from. The journey continues with a crucial aspect often overlooked: the power of positivity. In SEAL training, maintaining a positive mindset was essential during grueling scenarios. A positive outlook not only boosts morale, but also enhances performance. If you want to change the world, cultivate positivity within yourself. This mindset is contagious. When you embody it, others around you begin to reflect that spirit. Positivity fosters resilience, creativity, and a collaborative environment, making challenges feel more manageable. So, as you face your own battles, focus on the positives, what you can learn, who you're becoming, and how every experience shapes your growth. Reflect on this. How can you spread positivity in your surroundings today? Your actions today may inspire someone tomorrow to shine a little brighter in their own path. In addition to positivity, it's vital to explore the essence of humility. SEAL training instilled in us the understanding that true strength lies in recognizing our limitations and seeking help when necessary. Humility is not a sign of weakness. It's a demonstration of courage and self-awareness. If you want to change the world, value humility in your daily interactions. By embracing humility, you create a space where collaboration thrives and diverse ideas flourish. It opens the door for learning and growth, allowing others to contribute their strengths. Think about your own experiences. How has humility shaped your relationships? An attitude of humility invites others to join in, creating a collective effort towards shared goals. Remember, being open to feedback and admitting mistakes enriches your journey and strengthens your connections with others. So today, practice humility. It may lead to unexpected collaborations that change your world. Every lesson we've discussed is intertwined, each reinforcing the other in this transformative journey. As we reflect on the 10 invaluable lessons from SEAL training, making your bed, teamwork, resilience, facing fears, and more, remember that these principles are not just words, but actions waiting to be implemented. Embrace each lesson with intention and commitment. The road to change may be challenging, but it's also rewarding and filled with opportunities for growth. Take a moment to consider which lesson resonates most with you today, and make a plan to integrate it into your life. The small changes you make today can ripple out, creating a lasting impact on the world around you. Embrace the process, champion these lessons, and become the force for good that can truly change lives. Keep moving forward and let your journey inspire others on the path to transformation. In this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, we must remember that each lesson is a stepping stone toward becoming our best selves. While the challenges may seem daunting at times, the consistent practice of these principles lays the groundwork for a brighter future. Through every small act of kindness, shared experience, and moment of reflection, we build a more compassionate and understanding world. So take a deep breath and remind yourself, the power to change lies within you. Commit to these lessons, and in doing so, you become part of a larger movement that fosters hope, resilience, and unwavering positivity. Now is the time to act, inspire, and ignite change that reverberates far beyond your immediate surroundings. To further explore the interconnectedness of these lessons, let's focus on the importance of setting clear goals. In SEAL training, we learned that having well-defined objectives directed our efforts and kept us motivated, especially during the toughest days. Each mission had specific targets that guided our actions and decisions. If you want to change the world, take time to establish your own goals. Goals provide a roadmap to navigate the challenges, ensuring that each small step aligns with your broader vision. Reflect on what you want to achieve and articulate your aspirations clearly. This practice transforms dreams into actionable plans. As you pursue your goals with determination, you inspire those around you to discover and chase their own ambitions. Remember, clarity in purpose fuels perseverance, making the journey towards success more fulfilling. So what goals will you set today to create meaningful progress? The commitment to articulate and act upon your aspirations can be the spark that ignites your path to impact. As we wrap up this exploration of the fundamental lessons from SEAL training, remember that real change originates from consistent, mindful practice of these principles. Each day presents an opportunity to implement the great potential within you, inspiring not only personal transformation, but also encouraging those around you to rise as well. By embodying these ideals, you contribute to a more caring and united world, resonating with the essence of what it means to foster change. Remember, the world awaits the impact you can make. As we reflect on these lessons, let's focus on the importance of self-care. In the demanding environment of SEAL training, physical and mental well-being were paramount. Prioritizing self-care ensures you have the energy and resilience to face challenges. If you want to change the world, invest time in nurturing your body and mind. This commitment to yourself provides the foundation necessary for sustained growth and effective support of others. Remember, a well-cared-for individual radiates positivity and strength, empowering those around them to thrive as well. So, consider your self-care regimen today. What small adjustments can you make to enhance your well-being and, in turn, enrich the lives of those you impact? This practice can initiate a powerful cycle of care that expands beyond yourself. As we delve deeper into these lessons, let's examine the fundamental principle of accountability. In SEAL training, each member relied on others to track their commitment and performance. Accountability creates an environment where everyone strives for excellence. If you want to change the world, hold yourself and others to a high standard. This practice fosters responsibility, ensuring that every action contributes to the team's mission. Reflect on how accountability plays a role in your life. By establishing a culture of reliability, you inspire those around you to give their best and stay committed to collective goals. How can you encourage accountability in your day-to-day interactions? Remember, fostering accountability isn't just about responsibility. It's about creating shared success through support and encouragement. Embrace this principle and watch as it transforms your perspective and enhances your relationships. As we conclude our exploration of these valuable lessons, take a moment to integrate each principle into your daily life. From making your bed to practicing accountability, these teachings cultivate a mindset focused on growth, resilience, and positivity. Understanding that every lesson contributes to a better world empowers you to become a source of inspiration for others. Remember, the path to change begins with your commitment to embodying these lessons consistently. The world is ready for your impact, so act now and let your journey ripple out, affecting those around you in meaningful ways. The journey through these lessons reveals the essence of personal transformation. And as we weave together the principles we've explored, it becomes clear that change begins within ourselves. Each lesson serves as a building block toward a more fulfilling and impactful life. Let the lessons of discipline, positivity, humility, accountability, and self-care guide your every decision as you navigate daily challenges. Commit to living these values authentically and watch as they not only enrich your own life, but also inspire those around you. True change is a collective force, strengthened by the efforts of individuals who dare to embody these principles wholeheartedly. Remember, the world is ready for your light. shine brightly, and lead the way for others by taking actionable steps toward meaningful transformation. Be the change you wish to see. It starts with you today. As you embrace these lessons, think of the lives you can influence. As you embrace these lessons, think of the lives you can influence. Each small action sends ripples through your community, encouraging others to join the pursuit of greatness. Together, let's foster a culture where everyone feels inspired to embrace their own journey, champion resilience, and contribute to a brighter future for all. In conclusion, the principles derived from SEAL training are not merely lessons, but pathways to enhancing our lives and the world around us. By embodying and sharing these insights, we empower ourselves and others to create transformative change. The journey begins with you. Take the first step today.